ASKI Foundation, Environmental and Disaster Management System Unit. Today, we are going to give you some views about global warming and climate change. To share with you the facts on global warming and climate change. First, what is global warming? Global warming refers to the increase in the Earth's mean temperature due to the so-called enhanced greenhouse effect. So what is greenhouse effect? Greenhouse effect refers to the process by which the gases in the atmosphere near the surface of the Earth trap the heat that is radiated by the Earth's surface and re-emit it downwards. These gases are called the greenhouse gases or the GHGs and include water vapor, clouds, carbon dioxide, methane, and others. And what is enhanced greenhouse effect? It is the effect of the increasing concentrations of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. This increased concentration of GHGs trap most of the heat radiated by Earth's surface into the atmosphere, which is like a thickening blanket, making the Earth warmer. These increases have been linked to emissions from human activities. Man-made sources of greenhouses are, for example, number one is carbon dioxide. It's the burning of fossil fuels, oil, coal, by power plants, industries, and vehicles, transportation, and manufacturing. The other one is methane. This is a decomposition of garbage and agricultural waste materials. Leak in coal mining and natural gas production accounts for 20% of additional greenhouse effects. So what are the effects of global warming? Global warming has led to what we call climate change through anthropogenic cause of human intervention. These are increases in minimum nighttime, maximum temperature, and increases in global mean temperature. Another one is increase in sea surface temperatures, and another one is changes in evaporation and thus changes in rainfall patterns, among others. And also, sea level rise will occur mostly as a result of a thermal expansion of warming ocean waters and the influx of fresh water. So what are the manifestations or signals of global warming in the local scale? In the Philippines, there already are trends of increasing number of hot days and warm nights, but decreasing number of cold days and cool nights. Both maximum and minimum temperatures are generally getting warmer. Other extreme weather climates, like intense rains, have been seen to be more frequent. A substantial amount of coral reefs in the country have been found to have been affected by bleaching during events of warmer sea surface temperatures. Bleaching of the coral reefs is associated with the loss of symbiotic algae and their pigments, and the death of the corals if the warming of the sea surface temperatures are prolonged. So what are the expected impacts? Number one, the beneficial effects of carbon dioxide fertilization on the agriculture may be negated by higher than threshold temperature so that harvest could be less. Number two, more frequent incidents of droughts and floods could lead to the health problems like increased incidences of waterborne diseases. Number three, changes pattern in rainfall and increasing temperatures could lead to a change in the composition of forest species. Number four, the fishing industry may also be affected through the decrease in fish catch if sea surface temperatures continue to increase as nutrients could become less. Number five, more frequent floods, droughts could impact on the agricultural production and thus the livelihood of the subsistence farmer will be reduced. So how can individuals help to mitigate the adverse impacts of global warming? The most important of that is recycle or reuse. Recycling cans and bottles help conserve our resources, as this will lead to less energy and less element used in manufacturing them, while recycling paper will lead to less trees being cut down. Save energy by saving electricity through the use of energy-efficient lighting and appliances. Biking, walking, not very far distances, and carpooling. Advocate the use of renewable energy such as those from hydro dams, wind, solar radiation, and biofuels. Plant trees and encourage others to plant too. Conserve water and other natural resources. Be environment friendly.